What's up, guys? Today's gonna be a little bit different video than you're used to. Instead of a travel video, we're gonna kind of show what this channel is all about. So I really started this channel as a way to help raise money and awareness here in the Philippines. There's a lot of people in need, and so today we're just gonna show you what this money goes to. So it's Christmas time here, 2024. I'm gonna try to get this video out as soon as possible in case anybody else wants to donate to help. All of the supplies today are going to a couple of orphanages here that I work with, and in fact, before I've recorded this, I've actually made the first trip to deliver maybe a quarter of the supplies to the orphanage already. The kids went crazy. They were so happy to get some chocolate, play some games, hang out with a foreigner. They don't get to do that too much, like to help learn English and stuff. So anyway, guys, I just wanted you to know this is a little bit different video. The rest of this is just showing how far your dollar goes or your pesos go here in the Philippines to helping people, and kind of describing what we're getting, why we're getting it, and just as a thank you to the people who have already donated. If you're interested in donating, there's a PayPal link in the description. Every penny of this goes towards helping people and helping people who very much need help in every way you can imagine. So thanks, guys. Let's get on with looking at what your donations do. See you later. What's up, guys? This is Chris with American in the Philippines. We're getting ready to do our first delivery to an orphanage here in Cebu for Christmas time. Part of this channel that we started was to help people. All the money that goes from monetization goes towards helping people here, specifically kids. There's a lot of street kids here, a lot of people who can't afford basic necessities. So I have a PayPal link down in the description, and a lot of my friends from America have helped me throw in. I basically said anything that people donated during Christmas time, I would personally match, and then we put it towards getting things for kids here. So there's a few orphanages near me here. I live in Lapu-Lapu, and I wrote them to see what kind of things they needed, and they sent me lists. So this is some of the stuff we got. I want to say thank you to my friends Brianna Gardner, her parents who donated, my brother Josh, my friend Angela, they all donated. A few of the people threw in. Thank you to everyone if I'm forgetting your name, but I appreciate it, and I know the kids appreciate it. So let's just look at what your donations get. So this is just a small sampling. I can't even sit it all on my counter to get a picture of it in one shot. It's so much that we're going to give them. So these are kids who, a lot of the orphanages told me they don't get to eat meat. They don't have, underwear. They don't have basic, toiletries and like toothbrushes and toothpaste and stuff. So of course we got them those necessities as well, but we also got them some treats. So first, we're going to show you. This is just the candy. This is just the chocolate and candy that we got. It's Christmas time. All kids love candy, and all kids deserve a treat around Christmas time. So here's what we got first. So these are boxes of chocolate bars. Right here we've got 60. These are 60. This is another 60. We've got another 36 here. We've got another 70 here. So we have over 200 chocolate bars just here. This is another 100 right here. Forgive my house. It's full of stuff that we're donating. So we've got packs of crackers, another couple of boxes of candy bars, another 20. Here's another 100 mini chocolate bars. We've got about 200 or 300 pieces of random candy like suckers. We've got maybe 10 things of bar nuts, which are popular, a bunch of Choco Mani, a couple of dozen cookies like Oreos. We have a little over 100 of these wafers, different flavors. We've got butter coconut cookies, 3 packs of that. We got 3 boxes of Rubiscos, and I'm sure I'm forgetting. There's even more down there hidden that I just can't get all in one shot. So yeah, I mean, we have. I think there's 80 kids at the orphanage we're working with right now. So sorry for my dirty room, but I just wanted to show people to kind of get an idea of what they're doing and how they're helping. So yeah, we have close to 300 chocolate bars going to them. We've got hundreds of different types of snacks and cookies and chocolates and stuff. And this is just a small part of what we got. So I'm going to sort this and pack it up to go deliver to them. And then I'm going to show you what else we got. So this is just part one. What's up, guys? So we're back. We've got some more treats for the kids for Christmas. This is all from your donations again. Again, the PayPal link is there. We still have 3 weeks when I'm filming this from Christmas. I'm happy to get more for the kids. All the treats have been bought. We've definitely got enough for them, but you know, essentials, like I'm going to buy meat and more soap and laundry detergent and stuff for them. It's just so heavy. I don't have a car, so I have to walk to buy all of this stuff and then walk it back and then store it. My whole condo is just full of stuff, treats for kids that I can't eat. So yeah, so anyway, it all goes to that. Anything that anyone donates, I personally will double. So if you donate $10, which is about 500 pesos, I'll double it and make it 1,000. And 1,000 pesos is enough to feed meat for these 100 kids or 80 kids for probably almost a week. So yeah, your money goes a long way here in the Philippines. But anyway, so you can see here, I mean, it's hard to get a scale on how giant this these chips are, but I mean, it goes all the way, it's like several layers deep. It's basically every type of chip, funky chips, Martin's Cracklins, they're falling on the floor, Oishis, Ricci, onion rings, crisscross, more funky, roller coasters, Mr. Chips, I mean, Oishi potatoes, Oishi ketchup fries. We have 150 of these bags right here. I mean, just to give you an idea, this was 1,000 pesos. So if you want to know how far your money goes in the Philippines, you know, $20 buys 150 bags of chips. I also have 10 large bags that we're going to use for prizes, because when we go to the orphanage, we're going to play games and stuff with the kids. And that way there's a little bit bigger prize they can win. Of course, we have consolation prizes. No one leaves without getting an extra treat. And I've never given a treat to a kid here that they didn't immediately share with their friends. Like, people here are very generous, even people who have nothing. Living in the orphanage, street kids that I've given stuff to. Every time I give someone even one candy bar, they'll break it into 5 or 6 pieces and share, so everyone gets a bite, every friend they have that they're with. So yeah, I mean, this is our next batch of treats here. We have another 10 giant bags of chips for treats, for prizes and stuff. And yeah, this is just the second batch. So I'll be back with more and you'll see just how far your money goes. All right, guys, now we've got the more essential things. Again, this isn't even the final tally. This is like school supplies, personal care items, things like that that they don't have. 100 notebooks for school. We've got a box here. We've got a full box here. These are all like Mongol, which is a nice pencil brand here. We've got 15 dozen. We've got 100 toothbrushes, 100 pens, 50 combs. We've got 50 nail clippers that they requested. We've got hundreds of shampoo and conditioner, some standard, some a little nicer that they'll like, different types, a little bit of everything. We've got about 5 or 6 kilos of Colgate toothpaste for them. Everything has to be in individual packets, because they have to give it out to the kids individually. So everything, like the shampoos, have to be in individual sachets. Toothpaste and stuff. We've got about 3 kilos of bihon, which is about 250 servings. Again, I had to go buy all of this and walk it back here by hand because I don't have a car. So this is just, it's December 6th right now. So we're about 3 weeks before Christmas. This is just the first batch. I can't even take it all because it won't fit into a taxi to take it to the orphanage at one time. It's so huge. But on the way, I've got 25 pounds of good quality soap, different types like of handmade soap that we have being delivered. That should last them a long time. I'm going to buy another at least 10 kilos of laundry detergent powder that they requested. But instead of the cheap stuff, we're going to get nicer ones like Tide or Ariel, different like sort of higher brands here. We don't even have the meat. They don't have refrigerators. So you can't buy them regular meat. You have to buy canned meat, which is popular here. People like that. So like sardines, beef loaf, sausages, that sort of thing. I've been pricing them, and I found places where you can get them cheaper than you can like on Shopee. So yeah, I mean, you're talking about 30 kilos of just canned meat items, which is about 100 to 200 cans. So, I mean, imagine walking with 75 pounds on your back, you know, a kilometer to the grocery store and back. So, you know, I have to get it all piecemeal, but I wanted people to see what they're doing. I mean, this is all, you saw bags and bags and bags of chocolate. Those kids don't ever get chocolate. Bags and bags and bags of chips. We've got enough school supplies for them for at least a year or half a year. We've got toothbrushes, nail clippers, pens, toothpaste, detergent, meat. These are all things they requested. I didn't choose these. I asked for a list. They gave me a list. And this is what we're doing. So I've got another at least 2 or 3 times this much essential supplies that are going to them. So that's what we're doing, guys. That's why the whole reason we started this channel was to help people to do good things here. I mean, I like to eat, I like to travel, I like to do those nice things, but you know, coming from America, when you come here, it's easy to see how people struggle and really struggle. Like, don't have food. You see kids walking around with no shoes, dirty. You know, the kid weighs 50 pounds, but he's wearing a 3X shirt with holes in it, and that's all the clothes he's got. That's a very common sight I see every day here. So, I mean, when you see that sort of thing, it's kind of hard to ignore the need to do something, anything that you can. So, even if no one pitches in, I would still be doing this. And the fact that people have pitched in to help means a lot. I mean, this, what people have given, even $20, $10, $5, whatever it is, all of those bits have gotten a tremendous amount of things for these kids. And each one of them is going to be appreciated by them, and they're going to use every bit of it. It's all needed. So, again, if you want to pitch in, every single bit of this is going to go towards the kids, getting them more supplies, more meat, more also fruit they requested, but that's something I have to get kind of before I go. And there's like public markets near where they are, so it's easy to go there and get 10 kilos of bananas and apples and melons and things like that, and then just bring it over there to them. So yeah, guys, I don't know, this video is kind of random. It's not my usual video of going around with my girlfriend Mary and getting foods and just kind of rating snacks and stuff, but this is what it's really about, helping people, doing something nice for people around the holidays, and doing it all the time. I mean, this is the first time we're doing these sort of like giant donations, but you know, we buy people food all the time. I literally walk around with a bag full of candy every time I leave the house, a bag full of food, because every time I leave the house, at least 10 to 15 kids ask me for food or money to get food. So, you know, if I have bags of food, hey, at least here's a treat, man. Here's some leftovers that I have. Here's some popcorn that I made. Eat this. And they are always grateful and happy to have that. So, or at least I'm always greeted with a lot of smiles here. So the Philippines is amazing in so many ways. There's a lot of people in need though. So that's what we're trying to do, is just do our part. Anyway, guys, I don't want to ramble. I just wanted you to see what you're doing, the people who have helped, and what we're trying to do for people who just are curious what it's like here and what's needed. So I would get video of the kids, but it's not really proper to like, one, it's against the rules of the orphanage, and two, it's not really right to like go to people in need and stick a camera in their face and say, hey, look at this poor person, look at them, you know, needing this stuff. So this is the best I can do to show you what I've gotten. Obviously I don't need hundreds of pencils or school books or shampoo. I mean, I don't have hair, so this stuff definitely isn't for me. It's going towards a good cause, and I just wanted you guys to see what we're all a part of. Even if you watch, your views all go, you know, a few more pennies in the bucket, and every every dime we get on this channel goes to helping people in one way or another, through buying things, buying meals for people, going to support local carinderias, which are just like grandma and grandpa selling food on the side of the road. All of these things, kind of help the local economy here and help people who are really struggling. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get off of here. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we'll be able to do a lot more of this soon. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a good holidays too. Bye, guys.